Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, how to transfer money from Skrill to Binance. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to transfer from your, let's just say, Skrill account directly to Binance here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, if you want to directly do this inside your account, let's just say you want to add your Skrill account into your Binance account here, well, unfortunately, there is no direct way here, but we have something that we could actually utilize inside Binance. Now, if you're not aware yet, Binance has what we call peer-to-peer or P2P. So if you want to cash in into means like, for example, Skrill here, which is not fully supported, well, you could use P2P here to make that transfer. So how do you access this? So inside the Binance app here, again, you want to log in first. You want to go and click on Add Funds. Now, in here, you want to go and click on the View More at the bottom of your screen to see all of the available options for you. Now, you want to look for the option that says P2P Trading. Now, once you select that, it should redirect you to the P2P page. Now, in here, you want to make sure that you are using USD. And also, at the payment at the very top there, you want to go and choose that or select that. And it should give you the option to filter payment methods that you want to use. Now, from here, you could go and search for Skrill and click on, or select that and click on Confirm. Now, once you've done that, it should now filter all the available options for us. So by the way, just make sure that you've selected buy in this section because again, you are buying funds that will be deposited into your account and you'll be using your Skrill account here to buy those funds. Now from here, you want to go and just choose the best, in this case, amount, or in this case, the exchange that you may want to use in here. So there are certain limits here, so you may need to fall under those limits. Like for example, the first option here, like $50, this is the least amount. Also, there are like $11, so it depends totally on the merchant here or the seller. So in this case, you want to go and click on the buy option in there in order for you to proceed with the actual buying process or the transfer process here. And once you've done that, it's going to redirect you to this page here. Now, just keep in mind of the exchange as of right now. Like, you're going to indicate how much you want to basically get. And also, the limit is going to be around $50 for this transaction. So, they will actually say how much you'll be receiving. Again, the conversion rate here, make sure to take note of that. It will show you the amount that you are going to receive and also the payment method. Now, from here, you could go and disable subscribe to earn if you want to disable that. And also, yeah, if you want to see information about these advertiser here, go and select them and view the information if you want to trust them. Again, this is peer-to-peer, so this is directly not from Binance. These are other users selling their services to convert your funds from Skrill to, let's just say, to your Binance account. Now, you could go and click on place order, and typically that would open up a chat window where in this case, you'll be chatting with the actual seller here. And from then on, they will give you information. Like, for example, their banking information or the information or the account that you need to send to, basically, you are going to send your balance from your Skrill account to their account in their Skrill account, and from then on, once they've confirmed that, they will send or they will cash in directly into your Binance account here because they'll be using like other means to make the transfer itself. So that's why it costs more. But yeah, so just make sure to follow the instructions here on what to do. But usually that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.